Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. You are in for a special treat today. We are going to make snow cream. This is going to be a super fast, super easy way to make snow cream. Okay, I have a bowl. I have a can of sweetened condensed milk. Doesn't matter what brand, just as long as it's a sweetened condensed milk. Okay. I'm going to dump it in our bowl. Get all that wonderful goodness out. Okay. A few minutes ago, I went outside and got a big bowl of snow. We had a winter storm come through, and we've got about at least 6 inches of snow on our back deck. So, kids were wanting snow cream. So, hey, who am I to say no to snow cream, right? Because that's one of my favorite things in the winter. That's about the only thing I like about it. I can't tell you just exactly how much snow that we're going to be putting in here. We're going to put in enough to make a decently thick ice cream. Now, as you guys know, there's differences in textures of snow. You have a wet snow, you have a drier snow. This is more of a dry snow because it doesn't pack that well. So, I put 2 or 3 cups in here and I'm just going to stir it up. And that's absorbing pretty quickly there. So that is definitely nowhere near enough snow in there. So let's put about that much more again and see what we come up with. Honestly, I'm not sure exactly how much snow that this bowl holds. I just know it's a good size bowl. But we're just going to stir it. The powdered snow, it honestly takes more to stir into your snow cream mixture to make the snow ice cream than what it does the wet snow. Just going to keep stirring this. We get it all mixed up, and then we are in for a nice little winter's treat. Okay, we've just about got this stirred up. You notice it's starting to get pretty thick, so stir it until you don't see any of the actual pieces of snow in there. So I think that's pretty good. So either get a cute little bowl or a cute cup with a handle. We're just going to put some of the snow in here, snow cream. We're going to put some of the snow cream in here. What do you folks think about this so far? Personally, I love it. We're going to top it with just a few little sprinkles to make it look pretty. This is one I got to have a bite of, guys. Fantastic. But it hurts your teeth if you have sensitive teeth. Just saying. But this is an excellent flavor. It's the fastest, easiest snow cream that you'll ever make. Gotta give it a try. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. And as always, folks, we'll see you on the next video.